What's going on YouTube? It's your boy LV. It's your boy KJ, whatever. Back again with a video, man. I'm at work. So yeah, I'm at work, man. A lot of new videos and stuff is coming out. So just be on the lookout for that. New stuff, new vlogs, new everything pretty much. So like I said, at work. So you guys already know. But yeah, let's see what we can do for today, and we might we'll try to get into something, but I'm not too sure. But we're gonna try to do something today. Bring y'all along the vlog, and that's about it. Right now it is 4:22. So catch you on the flip side, and I guess I'm gonna chop up some footage and show y'all stuff here and there and day-to-day stuff. But yeah, let's go chop it up.
Since I've been gone, I've been out those ways.
I'm in my dreams on the airplane, hope I don't wreck. This will be a lot of things, baby, that you really don't get.
Yeah. I think to myself every day, how the fuck I'm gon' get rich? Used to run up on the plug with a counterfeit. Young nigga had a couple loose screws. Ain't no way you can go, we gon' find you. They got doubled up, now it's time to. Dip baby like nigga, we don't like you. I look in your eyes, you a fake goon. B-I-B-Y-L-I-F-E. On the road for 3 weeks, how to catch me. I get the fuck up and send them blessings. Little bit where you at, we ain't sexting. We get to them bands and no resting. She ain't held me down, got arrested. I been doing bitches dirty ever since. And I told her I love her, that ain't what I meant. Tell a nigga he fake, I bet he catch a fit. These niggas so fucked up in the head, I'm sick. You don't know who I am, I can send that bitch. That boy